This is a 2016 Escape Titanium Edition, 4-wheel drive. It is about as like new as you could ask for. Very, very well cared for. Nearly new Continental Extreme Contact tires. Has a factory tow package. It's very, very nice. There's one little scuff on the bumper right here. We will get touched up, but it's in great shape and well equipped. Keyless touch key. Leather is in real nice shape. $42,000 miles. Has Microsoft Sync system with navigation, backup camera, XM radio, Bluetooth audio, all that. Heated seats, automatic climate control. There's USB inputs in there. It's very nice car. Power seats. Back seats. Perfect. Power tailgate. The mats are back here, the cargo privacy shade. It doesn't like when you open and close the doors with the key in your pocket. Honks at you every time. Beep, beep. Sounds good, runs good. It's like new for about half the price of new. Come check it out. Great car for a kid.